Boresight calibration. Correct Boresight misalignment of your specific product. Calibration tackles the issue of alignment of the LiDAR and the IMU body frames. While the dataset may seem clear at high scale, LiDAR to IMU Boresight angles may produce some inconsistency in the dataset. With the Microdrones lieback tool, the misalignment is computed automatically, and Boresight angles can be applied to georeference the dataset without any Boresight bias.
Hi, I'm Nathaniel. I work as the Junior Geometrician for Microdrones Canada, based out here in Vaudreuil, and today we'll be going through the Boresight calibration module for the MD Infinity software. First, you will open up the MD Infinity software, and on the left-hand side, you will go onto the Boresight calibration tool. You will then select the product at which you are doing the calibration for. So we will be doing the MD LiDAR 1000. You click on the product menu, you select the 1000, you will leave the latency as 0, and you will leave the number of criteria as the default, which is 40. You also leave the initial angles like roll, pitch, and yaw as the same. The next step will be to import the LiDAR raw data taken from the flight. You will go to the folder where the raw data is saved, you will select them, and you will drag it into the software. The next step will be to input the trajectory file. Now the software will recognize if you have the same trajectory file saved into the folder, so you do not have to import that manually. It will automatically recognize it and will import it by itself. The next step will be to click on Process. When the processing is done, the results will show on the bottom of the screen. As you can see, the Boresight angles, the roll, pitch, and yaw are displayed, and right beside it, the accuracy. If the indicators are green, it means that it is within the error threshold. If it's not, there may or may not be something wrong with your data. And that concludes the Boresight calibration for the MD LiDAR 1000 for the MD Infinity.